Hello everyone, welcome to Lingua Quest and to another exciting episode of Quick Vocabulary Boost. Here are the 5 words of the day. The first word, pensive. It describes someone deep in thought, often with a serious or reflective demeanor. It refers to a state of deep contemplation or introspection. Here is an example sentence to illustrate its usage. After receiving the news, she sat alone in the park wearing a pensive expression as she contemplated her next steps. In this example, the word pensive indicates that the person is lost in their thoughts, engrossed in deep contemplation, and displaying a serious or reflective mood. The next word, luminary. The word luminary can have different meanings, but it is often used to describe a person who is highly respected or renowned in a particular field or industry. A luminary is someone who has achieved great success, excellence, or influence in the area of expertise. Here is an example sentence. Albert Einstein was a luminary in the field of physics, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe with his theory of relativity. In this example, luminary emphasizes Einstein's exceptional contributions and stature in the field of physics, highlighting his significant impact and status as a respected figure. The third word, impeccable. The word impeccable is an adjective that means flawless, perfect, or without any fault or errors. It describes something or someone that is of the highest quality and exhibits exceptional precision or attention to detail. Here is an example sentence. The chef's culinary skills were truly impeccable. Every dish she prepared was a work of art and tasted absolutely delicious. In this example, impeccable emphasizes the chef's exceptional ability to create flawless and outstanding culinary creations, highlighting the high standard of quality and attention to detail in her cooking. The next word, zealous. It describes someone who is filled with enthusiasm, passion, and dedication towards a particular cause, belief, or pursuit. It conveys an intense commitment to something. Here is an example sentence. John is a zealous advocate for animal rights, tirelessly working to raise awareness and promote ethical treatment of animals. In this example, zealous emphasizes John's strong and passionate commitment to the cause of animal rights, highlighting his enthusiastic involvement and dedicated efforts to bring about positive change. Final word of the day, transient. It describes something or someone that is temporary, passing, or not lasting for a long time. It refers to something that is brief, fleeting, or momentary in nature. Here is an example sentence. The beauty of cherry blossoms is transient, as the delicate flowers bloom for only a short period each spring before falling to the ground. In this example, transient highlights the temporary nature of cherry blossoms, emphasizing that the beauty and presence are fleeting and last only for a limited duration each year. So this brings us to the end of the video today. Let me know your favorite word of the day in the comments. Happy learning!